Alright, so we're going to do something a little bit different today from gaming. So I don't just game. I know a lot of you like to believe that. I do sometimes spend my time looking at people getting scared of ghosts on the internet. I know what you're thinking. This guy's a weirdo. I understand. So today we're going to be looking at some ghost videos and just basically breaking them down because I find them very entertaining and I watch ghost videos almost every day. It's one of the most fun pastimes for me on the internet, honestly. So I thought I'd share it with you guys. Maybe you'll enjoy watching it, maybe you won't. It's enjoyable for me. I don't know why there is a camera in this person's bedroom watching them sleep. Especially with the way that it's set up. It looks like a setup. Now, I'm going to watch these videos under the assumption, okay, under the assumption that they're not fake. Bro, it's time to go.
Sheet suddenly pulls itself off the bed. The man then proceeds to check the bathroom, when all of a sudden, he's attacked by something. The woman is also attacked by an unseen force. They then leave the room at once and
Bro, why is the guy the one checking the bathroom? Like, I know you're supposed to protect your woman, but I'm sorry, if something yanked my quilt off like that on my cover, there's no way. We're leaving. Like, that's it. There was nothing to check there. Like, they are looking directly at that bathroom door. I don't know where they're staying. It's like almost like a prison or something. I don't know. But yeah, so the woman got attacked as well, so they've gotten out of there.
run to the front door. But then something else happens that has left the couple even more disturbed than before. Take a look.
What could possibly... Oi. Look at the mirror. Look at the mirror. Okay, they need to get out of there. What's going on? Oh, Jesus. Bro, get the door open. Fam. Bro, forget the woman right now. Get the door open. Oh. No, you see now, the ghost, in my opinion, has crossed the line. It's one thing to scare people. They worked hard for that TV. You know they did. That's a decent sized TV. You didn't have to go that far. That's pay. That is very pay. What is the woman doing? Get out of there. Fam, do you have to pick up? No. No, I'm sorry, bro. You've got bigger problems than the ghost. If I'm with my girl and the ghost is basically wrecking my house and she takes the opportunity to be dramatic so that I have to carry her out of a house that's got things getting flung around it, the ghost ain't your problem, bro. It's that woman. You need to get her out of there. And not out of the house, I mean out of your life. You could have had anything thrown at you in that time. Oh my god.
Oh my god!
I don't know why, but the Spanish just makes it more scary.
Upon entering the property, he smells a strong, foul odor that seems to linger throughout the house. He then walks over to the kitchen and sees that a colony of ants has taken over the sink. Now, according to the owner, there have been sudden infestations of flies and other insects throughout the home, which...
Has this guy not seen a horror movie before? I'm sorry, but like, you walk in, there's a foul odor in there, so if there isn't a ghost, at the very least there's probably a dead body, and then there's ants and flies everywhere. Bro, I know you want the money, but what's more important? I feel like something's gonna jump out at me. Oh snap, didn't even notice that there. Well, that's a red flag. It's time to go.
Una de las cosas que noto es que hay un olor que está horrible, como podrido.
This guy's got nerves of steel.
Santiago then proceeds to go inside a bedroom that has a hidden closet. The owner states that his family has felt a certain presence within this closet and has kept it shut for the longest time, until recently.
What is?
A bit spooked, he heads on over to the other rooms, where he begins to feel even more uneasy. What happens then has left him baffled. This is what he caught.
Bro, I would have been gone so long ago.
Aquí pueden observar dónde estaba el master bedroom, la habitación principal. Pueden ver que todavía hay cosas, pero pueden ver cómo rápidamente cogieron toda la ropa y se marcharon. Pueden ver ahí todas las perchas. Rápidamente sacaron toda la ropa, la cargaron en el coche y
Bit
desaparecieron.
weird.
Dejaron bastantes cosas detrás de ellos.
Stop moving the camera like that, boy. You're giving me anxiety.
Como podrido en este área de la casa. Este es el otro cuarto, pueden observar.
The hell?
Todavía hay cosas, pertenencias.
This is getting me shook. What was that? I heard breathing.
Bastante raro. Ahora lo que vamos a hacer va a ser
Is that another cross?
aquí en la pared.
Dude, your camera sucks.
Hay unas marcas. en
Dude,
la
stop.
casa,
This
varias
guy's
áreas.
annoying me.
Es como
What is
serían,
that?
marcas, uñas.
Nah, come on. This has to be fake. This is making me itch. This is making me itch.
Que ha raspado o definitivamente son algo raro que están rayadas las paredes en varias áreas.
There's crosses everywhere.
Esa es la, okay. Llamaron, dijeron que la tuvieron que abandonar.
Bro, this is making me itch.
Obviamente, algo raro estaba ocurriendo.
Something's gonna pop out.
A las 2 de la mañana. Esta es la casa. Es muy
Famous last words.
y
Yo.
mejor
Yo.
me voy saliendo ya.
Yeah, I think
La
so.
casa,
Do you know what makes me think that's fake though? It was like he was moving the camera back and forth too much. I don't know, man. That was I mean, it's hard to say, isn't it? It's hard to say.
Pero otra vez, si necesitan comprar una
Alright, do you know what? After all that build up, that's all that happens. That is a bit of a letdown. Not gonna lie. The way he was moving the camera around, I thought something mad was about to happen. These three knuckleheads are playing with a Ouija board, which is never a good idea, and I assume something terrible is about to happen. So I mean, that's moving a lot. So if none of them are moving it, then I mean, it would be time to go at that point, no? They're not supposed to be moving that. So if it's moving, if it's like really moving, then wait, what? It's not moving in it's kind of moving in a repetitive pattern. So that could just be the doll malfunctioning. No one's noticed it yet though.
The toy moves on its own, but it seems that no one had noticed it. That is until later in the video when someone looks over.
I don't know about that one. I'm not too sure. You're never too sure of these videos, you know. I know a lot of people probably watching this probably like, what are you doing, Mike? But this is what I like doing in my downtime. Kids are creepy, man.
You hurt his brain? And then what happened? Did he say anything?
What the hell? What? He hurt his butt. You know, kids do crazy shit all the time.
What's he look like? He
He
looks
always says that he looks like
like an airplane.
He's another man.
There's two now.
He's a black man. Okay, he's a black man, right?
After giving another detail about the man, He walks over to
You know the parents slyly got more scared when he said it's a black man. They were like, hide the china.
Black man is in here with big hair, with big black hair. And he was in this room. And we didn't know, but we were looking around and we found out that this piece of little furniture, this thing my mom gave us, and we found it in the corner. It's called a unity carving. See?
Oh boy. Oh dear.
And it's carved from one piece of wood. And look at this that we found on it, and we didn't even know. But speaking of
What does that say? Handcrafted in Ghana.
Ghana,
Bruv. You better start cooking some jollof or something to appease the spirit. You guys done messed up big time. Bro, get it out of your house.
What are your thoughts on this? Is the piece responsible for the man that Rowan sees? Or is it all due to an overactive imagination? Feel free to share what you think. If you caught something...
Listen, yeah. The kid's saying he's seen a big black man. That thing is creepy on its own. It's handcrafted in Ghana. And you don't have no jollof rice. Okay? Just leave. Okay? The house belongs to the big black man now. Okay? You ain't got nothing to appease him. And you got a little white baby. You're playing with fire. If the dog's scared, I'm scared. And get your crusty ass toes out of the picture. Yo, dude. If the dog's backing off, you should probably back off as well.
Get in here. Get in here.
Don't force your dog in there, bro. Look at him. Follow your dog.
Get in here. What is the deal? That's what you're freaking me out. Come here.
Nah, fam. Get the hell out of there.